Hi, how are you doing? Now in this video we're going to learn about manipulation methods. Okay, so these methods are concat, slice, and splice. So what these methods do is they let you work with the items that are already in the array. Okay, so let's see an example. I'm going to create a colors array. Variable colors equals red, green, yellow. Okay, so I have this colors array, and now what I want to do is I want to use the concat method. So I take the array that I want to concat into it. Okay, so colors, I want to take this array and I want to use apply concat method. Apply the concat method. So what I can do with this method is I can pass in more items. So for example, I'm passing the array, okay, using this array literal, black, purple. Okay, so what happened is, let's console total colors. Okay, and let's see this next: red, green, yellow, black, and purple. It took this array and concat more colors there. So the good thing about this method is it doesn't modify the original array. It just returns new array. So the original array is there as it is. So that's the good thing about concat. Okay. By the way, if you want to see the original array, let's original. Okay. Let's see the original. So original, that's the original, and then this is the new array using the concat method. So that's a good thing about concat. Now let's use slice method. What it does is it takes two arguments, starting and the stopping position. So let's see it next. So we have this array called array of colors. Let's add some green. I guess we have this array of colors, 5 colors we have here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I create a new variable, colors2 equals 2. What I want to do is I want to slice one out. I write some text so I can make you understand better. So slice takes 2 arguments. Okay, so it's not mandatory that you supply 2. You can supply even 1. If given only one argument, it returns all items between that position, the one that you give, that position, and the end of the array. So let's see that in action. Colors slice. Let's see without passing anything what happens. Okay. Console log. Nothing happens because we didn't pass any argument. What to slice? Nothing to slice, right? There is no argument. So what I can do now is I can say 1. If only one argument, it returns all items between 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That's how we count, starting from 0. So what I'm saying is slice 1. So what it does, it starts slicing from 1 to the end of the array. Between that position, which means 1, so this, and the end of the array. So from here to all this, it will return if I can do slice 1. Okay, so including, so when we give the position, including that position to the end of the array. Okay. So let's give it a try. We should not see a red. Yeah, green, yellow, green, black. Okay, green, yellow, green, black. No red because we sliced from 1. If you slice from 2, yeah, yellow, green, black. Let's give 2 arguments. Let's give 1 and then 4. Okay, so what happens? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the end and 1 is this one. So we should see from between green to black. If given 2 argument, it returns all items start and the end position, same as that one, but not including the end position. So when we give arguments, the first one always it includes 0, 1, so it includes. However, the second argument, it doesn't include this one. So when we say 1 to 4, 0, 1, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 to 4, however, the last one doesn't include. So we should see green, yellow, green. Let's give it a try. So yeah, green, yellow, green. So this can get a bit tricky, but it's always, you can always search on Google for whenever, anytime you come across this problem and you know that you gotta use either slice or splice, which we'll cover next. So it's pretty easy. You don't have to remember, but just understand how it behaves. Okay, so the next one is splice method. Okay, this is extremely powerful. So using splice method, we can insert, replace, or delete items in the array. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to, for example, let's say use this splice method to delete certain items. So what I can do is let's create a new variable, deleted items equals to colors dot splice, and what I want to delete is I want to, for example, let's say I want to delete these last two items. So what I can do is 0, 1, 2, 3. So you start deleting from 3, including the first one, obviously. And then from here, how many items? One item, one more item, just one more item. So this is how you can use delete. Position of the first item and the number of items to delete. So position of the first item to delete, it's 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the position I want to start deleting, including that one. And then how many items? Just one. Just one. Okay. So let's see. Console log colors and colors. This is the original array, and then deleted. Okay. So the deleted items. So let's see them. Refresh. Okay. So the colors red, green, yellow, black. Okay. Red, green, yellow, and black are there, and deleted is green. So the only one item is deleted. So that is the special behavior. Okay. So if we want to delete the black as well, so we have to specify 2. So we start from here and then 2 items. Refresh, as you can see. So it modifies the original array. Okay, that's the main thing. Before, when we used concat, it didn't, but this time it did. For example, let's try. Let's say we want to get from here. So 0, 1. So I want to start deleting from 1, and then how many items I want to delete? Let's do 3. 3 items. Start from here, 1, 2, 3. So including this one, 1, 2, 3. Red and black remains from the original array, and removed these 3 items in the middle. So that's one thing. That's deleting. What about inserting and replacing? Okay, it's as same as above with 0 arguments. For example, start from here 0, 1, and what if I don't want to delete anything? It's simple. Just supply 0, and then if I leave it as it is, nothing happens. I'm pretty sure. See, nothing happens because we specified it takes 3 arguments. So first one, second, nothing happens. Slice. So what I can do is I'm not color. You can pass as many arguments as you want. Right? Now the array is long. It has 7 items. So red, I'm not this and that. Everything has been added. So how it's added? It added from this position exactly. It didn't add it in the end. It added right there, starting from this position. So 0, 1, and from in this position it added this new item, red, and then these 2 things that are specified, and then continued the existing ones. Okay. So what I'm going to do is starting from here, I inserted these 2 items, but I don't want to keep these items anymore. So 1, 2, 3, 4 items. I want to delete 4 items. So it's simple. You start from 0, 1, you start from here, delete 4 items, and then insert these new ones. Okay, that's it. So try, yeah. So red, I'm not color, and many. This is the original array. Only this one remains. These 2 items we added and removed everything else. Okay, so deleted. See, all this has been deleted. So this can be extremely powerful in real world. So maybe try a few more times and then move on to the next one. and in the next one we're going to learn about location methods. All right, so this one we're going to cover in the next video. Thank you.